In this video, you'll see how to delete an eSIM from your Samsung device. Disclaimer: it is important to note that if you delete your eSIM, you will not be able to use it again, so don't delete an eSIM unless you're absolutely sure about it. Now, if you're sure to delete an eSIM, here are the steps. Step 1, open Settings and tap on Connections. Step 2, click on SIM Manager. This may be labeled slightly differently depending on your Samsung model and software version, but it generally pertains to managing SIM cards and eSIM profiles. Step 3, select the eSIM you want to delete from here. Step 4, tap on Remove and wait a few seconds. You will see this message to confirm deletion of your eSIM. Click Remove again. Wait a few seconds to see the process completion, and that's all. Your eSIM will be deleted. Once again, remember that once you make the action of deleting an eSIM, it is irreversible. While we hope you don't find yourself needing to delete your eSIM often, however, it's good to know how to do it safely and securely when the situation calls for it. Follow MobiMatter for more tips and tricks and make the most of your eSIM experience.